And last, I'll briefly mention what's called the multiverse theory. Again, a lot of vocabulary words here, and we'll talk about this. I may do another whole little brief lecture on this. The multiverse theory states that because the anthropic principle, I know a lot of vocabulary words, the anthropic principle states that the Earth is so fine-tuned with gravity, with the distance from the sun, with the orbiting, with the seasons. It's so fine-tuned that it's unlikely it could happen by accident. Just mathematically, it's really improbable that it could happen by accident. And because of that, some scientists have said, what if there's multiple universes? So this is one universe of millions of universes. So if you do the math on that and you say, this is a universe of millions of other universes, it's not so improbable that Earth is finely tuned, because out of a billion, there's got to be one that is right for life, that could sustain life. So that is the multiverse theory. It just states that if there's mathematically, it's improbable for the Earth to have been created, but finely tuned. The Earth, it's so improbable for it to be finely tuned that there must be multiple universes, because that makes the math work. It's not necessarily a scary theory, I don't think, if there is multiple universes. I think that's just cooler. But I sort of like science fiction. I read a lot of science fiction. So to me, multiple universes, I think, would be very fascinating. And people I know that work for NASA also think, well, of course I work for NASA. If there were multiple universes, that would be awesome. So I don't think it's anything to be afraid of. It's just an argument against God. And not necessarily always against God. Some NASA scientists think there might be multiple universes, just because why wouldn't there be? But you will hear it when you get into the anthropic principle and the fine-tuning of Earth for life. It's so improbable that Earth would be so finely tuned for life that if there were multiple universes such as ours, it would be more mathematically probable. And that is all that means, is the multiverse theory. And that is all I have for this week.